Taicang Zhongbo Railway Fastening Co. Ltd. is a world's leading supplier of railway fasteners. Our company is located in the economic hinterlands of Yangtze River Delta in China, Shaxi Industrial Park of Taicang City in Jiangsu Province. Close to Shanghai, we enjoy superior location and convenient transportation. Zhongbo has a professional R&D team engaged in the development and improvement of various railway fasteners. We have obtained a number of national patents. Zhongbo has passed the certification of ISO 9001-2008. Our products have been certified by Chinese Ministry of Railways and International Union of Railways. They provide a strong guarantee for railway traffic safety. Improving internal management and expanding overseas markets, Zhongbo gradually improves business service system. Our railway fasteners are well received in North America, South America, Europe, Southeast Asia, and other areas around the world, enjoying constantly increasing market share. Our factory occupies 23,000 square meters. Advanced production equipment, sophisticated processing technology, and experienced technical workers enable us to produce 15,000 tons of bolts and spikes, 10 million pieces of elastic rail clips, as well as 50 tons of mold and accessories each year. We also boast an annual heat treatment capacity of 5,000 tons of workpieces and the annual sales of 180 million yuan. Quality is of utmost importance for Zhongbo. We have a fully equipped product testing center, and perfect testing means ensuring that all products delivered to customers are qualified. Zhongbo is able to provide railway bolts and spikes conforming to UIC, ARIMA, BS, AS, JIS, GHOST, and other standards. Various rail fastening systems are available. Our main products include rail fastening system. Available in a complete range of specifications, the rail fastening system can be designed and produced according to different conditions and requirements. Subway track fastening system. With a wide range of application, the subway track fastening system features high interchangeability and low maintenance costs. Tram track fastening system. Our tram track fastening system has high safety factor and is offered at a competitive price. Tunnel segment connecting bolts. Our tunnel segment connecting bolts have reliable quality, and we can also design connecting bolts according to your requirements. turnout accessories and fish blade accessories. We offer quality turnout accessories and fish blade accessories in complete specification and standards. Building high-quality brands and first-grade enterprise, Jumbo is committed to providing more cost-effective railway fasteners and enabling more people to enjoy safe and convenient rail traffic.
中国铁路热情欢迎来自世界各地的朋友莅临中博参观指导。